This video focuses on the introduction to trigonometry and bearings. You may just want to pause and read this slide. I'll kind of hit the highlights for you. So these three examples that are here, I'm going to show you on the next slide in more depth. All right. So when we do bearings, we're going to have an acute angle that is always measured from the north side. So that's one thing I would say you should highlight in your PDF is when we create that acute angle, it's always from the north. And you always write the north first. So that'd be another thing I would say I would highlight. If the acute angle is measured from the south of the north side, then you would say S first. Second, we write the measure of the acute angle. So we're going to be doing that in just a moment. If the acute angle is measured on the east side of the north line, then we would say east last. If the acute angle is measured on the west side of the north-south line, then we write west. I think this will make more sense when we move into the three examples. All right, so here are our three examples blown up a bit. So this first example, you'll notice here is your north, south, west, and east. And we have an acute angle right here at 40 degrees. So you start with that north, and then you would say your angle, 40 degrees, and notice it's on the east side. So the bearing is saying north 40 degrees east from O to P. This is our terminal side. Second example, we have our acute angle. It's coming from the north again, but now the direction is west. So it is north 65 degrees west. Last one. Here's our acute angle heading up from the south, and it's east. So we say south 70 degrees east. All right, here are a few more examples here. The first example is the direction from A to O is north 30 degrees east. So from here's our north, and we have our 30 degrees heading in this direction, and it's heading towards the east. So this segment here is called north 30 degrees east. All right, I'm going to change colors. Segment B. So here's our segment. Notice your acute angle is 60 degrees, and it's going heading off to the west. So that direction is north 60 degrees west from its origin. All right, I'll change colors. Now we'll have segment C. Segment C is down here. So from the origin, you are 70 degrees from the south, and you're heading east. So we say 70 degrees east. All right, this is getting to be a lot of colors here, so I'm going to erase all this. All right, last one, D, segment D. Segment D is down here. The angle is coming from the south, 80 degrees, and it's on the west side. So we say south 80 degrees west. Now, why do we use these directional bearings? And that's heading to our next slide. Go ahead and pause if you need to. So when ships or planes navigate, they need to have a simple way of explaining what direction they are traveling or called a bearing. It is called, established as north or south. It is an acute angle. We've talked about that from the vertical y-axis. The last part is establishing the east or west direction. The course of the measurement typically starts at the North Pole. So that's kind of a little bit of warm-up of how we construct those direction bearings. And then what we're going to do is now apply them in a couple word problems on the next couple of videos.